Greetings viewer. Welcome back to the another video. So today we are going to type a program which would print the maximum element in the list entered by the user. As usual, you can pause the video here and try writing a solution for the problem above. So now let us get started. First we will define an empty list named list. Now we will ask the user for the number of input he or she wants to enter. So for that we write ask equal to int input how many number you want in the list. Now taking elements from user, write for element in range ask number equal to input, enter elements for the list. To add the value of number in the list we write list.append numbers. Now to print the maximum value in the list we write print the maximum element in the list is max bracket list. Now if we run it and giving 5 as input and now giving different numbers as the program asks us, we can see that the output is shown, which is none other than the greatest integer we have given as input. So the program works fine as shows the correct result. So that was all for this video. If you liked the video then give it a thumbs up. If watching my videos for the first time then subscribe to the channel as it is being shown at the corner, and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more.